Okay, probably hard to see right here in front of me. But we've got these columns goes from the floor, little thin things, and all the way up. Hopefully you can see some of that. And this is the area that we're walking into. And back here, looks like some of the fairyland that we passed earlier. And it's back of the Temple of the Sun rock. All those stalactites up there. And then all that across the way there. Pretty neat. There, and all them. Big thing about the ceiling, it's kind of flat. Looks neat. Yeah, it is. That's exactly what it's like. Alright, so this is the next thing that we're looking at here, is this right here. And it is a column, it goes all the way up. What do you think about that? Pretty nice, huh? Then we got these great big rocks over here. They got nice and lit. Look at that. If you can see up on the ceilings. Man, I mean, those things are just massive. Sure, they don't look it on here, but trust me, very massive. Then those back there, those three together. If you can see those things, I guarantee you some of those are probably 25, 30 feet long easily, that biggest one.
Look at that.
So huge. Yeah, then there's a great big hole up there. It looks like it just goes on forever up there. Crazy. Got these two little guys right here beside the trail. And this little bit of stuff here. Alright, let's keep on going. So there's a sign right there that you can't see it from this side, but the big room continues on this way that we're going, or there's a shortcut back that other way, but we're doing the whole thing again, because this is some of the most enjoyable parts actually of this whole cave system. But you can see up closer to some of the great big stalactites that's hanging down, and yeah, that one up there about the middle of your screen looks like a gigantic chandelier or something, just huge. And then look at this guy right over there. Just hanging out. We'll be closer to him later, I'm sure. Show you these two little guys right here real quick. And then just more same types of things here. This give you a closer view of those. And some of those things, I am not kidding you, they are absolutely massive, no doubt. How long? This one's probably 25 or 30 feet long at least. And then over here, doesn't this look like a moonscape or something? I mean, look at this down here on the ground. And just some of the rocks. I mean, just something you think you'd see on the moon or Mars or somewhere. Or at least that's what I think of. Now back over here on this right-hand side, look at this. All these little rocks down here. And then all those little stalactites all through here. Look at those guys. Pretty neat. And of course this here, it's not a full column because it does not go all the way to the ceiling. But I'm sure at one point it probably did. But there's that. And again, like I said, looks like something you'd expect to see on the moon or Mars or some of those places. A lot more partial columns in here. Look at these things. Starting from back here. Are these not pretty cool? Then we got this one here that's pretty tall. I'd say that one's got to be, I would think easily 30 to 35 feet tall. Up there at its tip. Here now we got pretty cool reflection. Hopefully it's coming through in this video. all the way down through there. Yeah, then there, hopefully that reflection's coming through. Looks neat. All right, so here you see we've got this nice light of formation. But down here, hopefully these come through. Reflection. And this is all actually reflection. That should help some of it come through. Hopefully. That's where we came from. Right, so here we're looking at the lower cave. Now, it's a special place to get to that people like us can't normally get to. But you see down there, there's a group of people, or hopefully you can see their headlights at least. So that's a bunch of spelunkers on a tour down there at the lower cave. So unless you pay for that tour, you know, it's this guided tour, then I know they only do it certain days and times and stuff. So you can see them going off there into the dark. Wow. Alright, so the big thing to look up is look at the ceiling. Look at those big things that look like huge, giant, like broadside blades or something, man. A huge sword. Look at all this up here. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, not sure if it's coming through or not, but we got a neat reflection here. If hopefully it's coming through of that rock, of course. And then you see these guys here hanging down. How neat do those look? A really dark brown type of a color. And they're almost overhead. Look at the shape of them, like flat. Pretty cool. And there, it's more of that reflection, I hope, that comes through. Here, let me get right here. There we go. What do you think? Here, a lake. If you can see the sign over there, that says Mirror Lake upside down, because in the water it reflects properly and says Mirror Lake. Hopefully that's coming through, but it's so dark, but who knows? We'll see. In fact, you can see this is stop number 34 if that's coming through. I don't know if it is or not. But this is 34 on this tour. Alright, so here we have come into this very cool place. You just spin you around here slowly and take all of this in. That's the trail straight ahead. And check that out. Pretty cool, huh? I like it. Alright, so here, you see the bottom of this, and it looks like ice to us. This is a great big dome. Yeah, something like this. Pretty dark from this side. But anyhow, look at all these neat things. Pretty cool as we go through here. Pretty wild. Here we can see the stone better from this side. There you go. Got a nice side light view. But you can see if you look at that, it looks shiny and like it's ice laden. Then all this stuff over here we're heading towards. Look at these guys back in here. That is pretty neat. All of this is very, very neat. Alright, we'll keep going here. Here you can see Rock of Ages, and this is it right here. Pretty cool looking, I gotta say. There's more beyond. We'll be heading up there. I just want to spin you around and show you some of the stuff that we've bypassed. You see this huge room. Hopefully you can make something out of this. Alright, so here, run into a bunch of stalagmites. All through here. That up there. And right here behind us. Look at this up here. If hopefully it comes through, a bunch of drapery up there. like it stabbed this partial column. This room back in here. But now check this out. Isn't that neat? I think it is. And then this is the stuff I was showing you from just a little bit back there. Check out these things. Look at this. The way that's made. It's just crazy. Here's a little grotto area. Don't have too much in it, but it does have some. Here's another one. In fact, yeah, this one's called the Painted Grotto. Here, show you this. And there's words. If you want to pause that and read that, you most certainly can. But check this out. Pretty neat, huh? And then ahead, just to give you a glimpse, it's there. And then let's just look right back here. Pretty cool. This area is called the Chinese Theater. And look at this. And that reminds me of a castle for sure, right there in the middle. How cool is this? And here, if you don't believe me on the name, here you go. Chinese Theater, columns, stalactites, and stalagmites. El Teatro Chino. Here's back on the other side. Pretty cool. Look at that guy hanging down. That great big sword over there. A huge hole up yonder. Pretty neat. Alright, so right here's a sign for the elevators. You can see we're going to go around and jump on them, and we will be exiting Carlsbad Caverns. So, just let you want to take this spot. And that's the area where, you know, it's not buy drinks, food, that type of thing. Go around these deals. Oh, that hurt. Oh, and let's jump on this one. All right, thank you.